Good afternoon, children. In this video, I am going to explain topic photosynthesis for. So please please students try to understand what I am telling and concentrate the topic. Okay. What is photosynthesis? Children, do you know about photosynthesis? This is very clear. Photo means light, synthesis means to make. So it become a photosynthesis. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जिस चीज़ को बनाने के लिए लाइट ज़रूरी हो उसे फोटोसिंथेसिस कहते हैं. Okay, the process by which green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, which is required for the photosynthesis. Point to be noted. Children, sunlight is necessary and chlorophyll. Sunlight and chlorophyll is necessary for the processing of photosynthesis. I want to explain the process photosynthesis with this picture. Process of photosynthesis. Look here. This one is root. What is the function of root? Root absorb water from soil. And first of all, you have to know what is the picture of plant. So this is the picture of sunflower plant. This one is leaf, and leaf absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere and sunlight. After absorbing water, carbon dioxide from atmosphere and sunlight from atmosphere, plant gives us sugars and oxygen to the atmosphere. Is it clear? Further diagram is here. Look this diagram. Plant also absorb minerals from soil. This arrow shows minerals, and this arrow shows water. तो फिर क्या हो रहा है? ये प्लांट्स क्या कर रहे हैं? वाटर को भी एब्जॉर्ब कर रहे हैं सॉइल से और मिनरल्स को भी एब्जॉर्ब कर रहे हैं सॉइल से. And atmosphere and plants take sunlight from atmosphere and release oxygen and sugar in the atmosphere. Process of photosynthesis. Look here. This is the advanced diagram of process of photosynthesis. Children, please look here and concentrate here. This one is sun and light from the sun going on leaves, and this is the microscopic structure of leaf. This part is called granum, and in the granum water absorbed and O2 released. ATP NADPH, NADP, ADP. This process is called Calvin cycle. And chloroplast also present in a leaf, which helps in the process of photosynthesis. After the completed the process of photosynthesis, sugar released in the atmosphere and carbon dioxide taken by the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is always done in green plants in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, minerals, water, nutrients. So, this is clear from the diagram and also with the explanation, the topic of photosynthesis is completed. So children, the photosynthesis topic is very interesting topic. You have to learn the topic photosynthesis. Okay. My name is Shobha Roy and my department is Science.